Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on automatic screen rotation on this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for Auto Rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, it turned blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled. You can also go into Settings and tap on Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down a bit and click on the switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen feature. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!